Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to add bookmarks or how to use bookmarks in your Google Chrome browser. So for example, I want to type Wikipedia, a very popular website. I'll go for Wikipedia English. You can see I want to use this website frequently again and again. This could be anything. I'm giving an example of Wikipedia, but it could be anything, which might be very difficult to find in future. So what you would do is simply go to this. As you can see, there's something called star option. Simply go for bookmark this tab. Once I press bookmark this tab, this thing will come up. That is, you can have a name for this website. For example, I'll just have Wikipedia instead of all these things, and the folder where you want to make it bookmark. For example, the folder is other bookmarks. Well, in other bookmarks, the bookmark will not be seen directly on your PC. That is here. It will be stored in a folder which you can refer in future by going to that other bookmark folder, and I'll show you how. But for now, I'll just show you how to bookmark here in the tab of your Google Chrome. Just in the search, below the search bar, this tab, as you can see here, this bookmark will come up. So for that, what you have to do is simply change the folder. By default it is other bookmarks here, but here you have to simply change the folder. Here you can see that is called bookmarks bar. Simply I click on bookmarks bar, it will go for here this bar. So I press done here. Once I do that, you can see something should have come here. Yeah, this Wikipedia is now reflecting here. For example, if I click on another tab here, you can see the same bookmarks are going on displaying in the bookmarks bar. I can simply click here and get this page. So this is one way to save a bookmark. The other way is, so here what I'll do is I'll open another website. For example, I'll open something called Reddit. Let me see. I open this website. So here what I'll do is I want to bookmark this website. I'll simply click on the star bookmark this tab, and here you can see by default this bookmarks bar is coming up. So what is the problem with this method is it will quickly fill up this bookmarks bar with a lot of website, which will be like 10 bookmarks or 10 website. After that it will be very difficult for me to even choose, because it will go on making it smaller in size. All the bookmarks tab, it will make it small in size. So what I'll do is I can create a folder over here. For example, it is in bookmarks bar. I'll simply create another folder, choose another folder. What it will do is it will create a new folder under bookmarks bar. So I'll create a new folder. For example, these are very like often visited, or I'll simply write it as visited often. So I'll save, and you can see under this visited often, this tab will be bookmarked. I can create a lot of bookmarks. For example, Facebook. Again, if I click on bookmark, it will by default it will go for the last folder that I had visited. It will get saved in visited often. I'll simply press done, and you can see this bookmark Facebook and Reddit, this will come up. And there is another option. For example, I go for another website, that is let it be YouTube. Okay, so this is my YouTube website, and here what I'll do is I'll simply click on bookmark, and I want to save it in this thing, that is other bookmarks. So this other bookmarks is a folder. I can create folders as well in other bookmarks. For example, I'll go here and choose another folder the same way I did visited often. So I'll click here other bookmarks and create new folder under other bookmarks. For example, I'll create this important websites sites. I'll save, and you can see the bookmark is saved in important website, but as you can see it is not visible in this bookmarks bar. It is saved in other bookmarks tab. For accessing it, I have to go here. That is, if you have very less bookmarks, then directly you can go here all bookmarks and go for here important websites. All the summary of your bookmarks will come up. But if you have hundreds or thousands of websites as bookmarked, then what I'll do is I'll go for three dots, and in three dots I'll go for bookmarks and list, and here I can find this other bookmarks tab, and I can find this website where I'll find YouTube. So this is how you can find, if I click here, it will simply open this website, YouTube, once again. So this is how you use bookmarks and you find website through bookmark. So friends, I hope this is a very useful, commonly used feature of Google Chrome. If you don't know as yet, follow the steps that I have told you just a little while ago to bookmark, start creating your bookmark pages. And if you have those 5 to 10 websites that you visit often for your work and for your personal use, maintain this bookmark bar so that you don't have to again and again go for writing the website on the title on the search bar. So friends, that is it. I hope you found a very useful thing of Google Chrome. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such useful technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.